All right, so I skipped the process of cutting. Got some celery, carrots, an onion. I'm gonna throw some garlic. Also some white wine, some capers, some rosemary, some red roasted peppers. I'm gonna put them all in one pan, saute them, and then I'm gonna add the chicken separately, brown that, and then I'm gonna add it all together. Add some hot pepper flakes. All right, got the chicken skins peeled. Add a little sea salt. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of cold pressed olive oil on it. A little bit of pepper. All right, I'm gonna mix this in. All right, add a little salt. A little fresh pepper. Some hot pepper seeds. Add it to the vegetables. All right, I got some fresh sage, fresh rosemary. I'm gonna bundle this up. I'm gonna put some basil in there. We're gonna add it to the pot. Once we get this floured up, we're gonna throw it in the skillet. I'm gonna flour the chicken lightly. You don't wanna overcoat it. Remember, this is already marinated in olive oil, salt. All right, we got this cast iron skillet nice and hot. I'm gonna add the chicken until it's a nice golden brown. Probably not gonna fit all of these in here at once, so we're gonna have to take them out. All right, I added the red roasted peppers to this nice mix. Chicken's getting brown. Got some more over here. Then once that browns out and this reduces down, I'm gonna add a little bit of white wine. And then I'm gonna add some tomato sauce, and then we're gonna remove the chicken. We're gonna add it in here and let it cook. I'm gonna add a little chicken stock here, not much. You could use beef, whatever you have, doesn't matter. Just stir that in a little bit. All right, looks like our chicken's nice and gold, brown, how we like it. I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna put it off to the side for now. And then we're gonna add the other chicken, get that all ready. All right, I'm gonna add the sage. I'm gonna add the rosemary. Gonna wipe that around in there. I'm also gonna add 3 whole pieces of garlic. You don't wanna mince it because you don't want it to burn. I'm gonna stir that in there. All right, before I add a little bit of wine, I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. I'll need maybe a half a cup. I'm gonna turn that up a little bit to burn the alcohol off. Mix it around. Cover it, and we'll revisit that. All right. Wow, that smells great. See, everything's reduced down. We got the stock, got the white wine. Everything's getting soft. Now, I just pureed some fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna add this to the mix here. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of water to reduce this down, let it cook down for about 15 minutes, maybe 20. Mix it in, and then we'll add the chicken. All right, now it's time to add the chicken. I'm gonna add pieces to the sauce here. Now, traditionally, this is not a Southern Italian dish. It's more of a Northern one with the sauce. You could do it without the sauce, which comes out fantastic. So I'm going to add all these in. Get these to cook down for about an hour and a half. So I'm going to put these on the skillet. Some people put them in the oven. I'm just going to cover them up, let them go for about an hour and a half. I cut up some potatoes, added a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, and some fresh rosemary. I'm gonna put these in the oven, mix them up, and cook them for about 30 minutes. All right. Looks great. Chicken's done. Potatoes are done. It's ready to eat.